In this lesson, we are going to install development tools including web browser, code editor, source control, and JavaScript runner. Let's go for it. Let's start by code editor. It's VS Code. Go to this link and based your operating system, click on the blue download button. For me, it's Mac, so I click on Mac. Then I will be redirected to another page and a new file will be downloaded in my download folder. After download, double click on it, follow the installation and install VS Code on your computer. Let's go for the next one. It's Google Chrome as web browser. Go to google.com/Chrome and here click on download Chrome. After a while, Chrome start downloading, and like what we did in VS Code, just double click on the downloaded file, follow the instruction, and you will have Google Chrome on your computer. The next software is Homebrew. It's a package manager for macOS and Linux. Go to brew.sh and copy this command. Then open your VS Code and from terminal menu, click on New Terminal, paste the command here and press enter. It needs your admin password, enter it, and it will start installing Homebrew on your computer. After installing Homebrew, go for the next package. It's Git. Go to git-scm.com/download and based on your operating system, select the right one. I'm using macOS, and here it's super easy. Run brew install git. Brew install git. Run it in your integrated terminal in VS Code, and it start installing Git on your computer. The last package is Node.js. It's a JavaScript runtime environment that we needed to create backend and building frontend project. You have two options, LTS and current. I select current to use the latest feature of Node.js. Click on it, and it is start installing Node.js like Chrome and VS Code. Just double click on the downloaded file, follow the instruction, and you will have Node on your computer. Great, here Git is installed. Let's check the installation of other packages. Close this and open it again. Let's start by Node version. Type node-v and press enter. Here we are using version 19. For npm-v, it's the package manager for Node. It's version 9. Let's check Git. We are using version 2.39. That's it. We installed all required packages and tools to develop e-commerce website by TypeScript Mir. In the next session, we install extensions for VS Code and make it ready to develop our project.